Hey everyone, you're welcome to this channel, MEPH. If you're new here, you're highly welcome. I'm Pools, your tutor here in this channel. And today we have a question here. You can pause this video and attempt the question and come back to this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and share this video to your friends, loved ones, and students like the video. So let's get right into this question. It's a question on what? We have a question on set on the board. So it says if P, okay, in curly bracket we have minus 3 is less than x and x is less than what? 1. And Q is a set such that in curly bracket we have minus 1 but is less than x and x is less than 3. Where x is a real number, find what? P intersection what? Q. So remember this is intersection, okay? Intersection. We have intersection and we have union. So N is for what? Intersection, U is for what? Union. So that is how I identify what we are doing here. So the first thing is our solution. Since we have this in form of inequality notation, we want to keep this in, a more clear format. Okay, we want to arrange them in a progression. So how do we do that? I'm going to use my number line. Okay, so if I have say this is 0, this is 2, I have this as minus 1, minus 2, and this is minus 3. So for P, okay, for P I have P as, remember I'll say P is what? Minus 3 is less than x. I can still write as P is what? You can say x is greater than minus 3 and less than what? 1. So if minus 3 is less than x, it means x is greater than what? Minus 3. So the idea is x cannot be this, no, but x can be this because x is greater than minus 3. So x can be minus 2, okay? X can be minus 1. X can be what? 0. But x is what? Less than 1. So x cannot be what? 1. So it means we are going to stop here for this. So what this means is actually what we have here. So x cannot be 3 and x cannot be what? 1. But let's do for q. For q we have that what? Q is such that what? So x should be greater than what? Minus 1 but less than what? 3. So x is greater than minus 1. So it means that x cannot be what? Minus 1 because it's greater than what? Minus 1. So x can be 0. So for q, we have x at 0. Yeah, x can be what? 1. Okay. X can be 2. But x cannot be what? 3. Why? Because x is what? This is less than what? 3. So we have, we have this and this representing what? What? P and Q. Now the question says, where do they what? Intersect? Okay, for their intersection, we can simply what? Draw maybe a simple Venn diagram here. Okay, I have so P and what? Q. So let's input all the elements into this. I can start with the intersection, which is this point. So 0 and 0 is 0, so this is 0. Okay. For Q, we are left with what? 1 and 2, 1 and 2. For P, we are left with what? Minus 2 and minus 1. So I have minus 2 and minus 1. So this gives us the solution to this problem. So we have that P is equal to the element what? 0. Because actually they intersected at this opening, this space. Alright? But we can write our answer in inequality form. So if P is the element 0, rather if P intersection Q is the element 0, so the question is how do we write it in inequality form? All right, so let's first of all identify the zero. So this is the zero, okay? So it means I can say minus 1, okay, is what less than x. What this means is x is greater than minus 1, which is 0. But x cannot be greater than what 1. So x is less than what 1. So x is less than 1 means if we come back, it's 0. So this inequality represents what 0. So where P intersects Q is actually 0 in this problem. Okay? So that gives us the solution to this problem. Alright guys, I want you to like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, share this video so those it may be of help. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.